Today is going to be a great and fulfilling day. I am healthy, happy, and secure. I am an unlimited being with the ability to create anything I want. I naturally attract love everywhere I go. I greet today with calmness and confidence. I have everything I need to solve any challenges that arise. I am beautiful, strong, and powerful. I am grateful for all that I have, all that I am, and all that is. I will make good choices all day using my inner wisdom. Today, wonderful things will unfold before me. I inspire those around me. I inhale confidence and exhale doubt. I believe in myself with every fiber of my being. Today will be a beautiful adventure. Good things are coming to me today. I spread love to those around me. And it returns to me in abundance. I am magnetic and irresistible to those around me. Love is attracted to me, and I am attracted to love. My inner beauty naturally radiates outwards. I draw love and romance into my life with ease. Today will be a perfect day. I am becoming better every day. Today, I will attract a deeper love and appreciation for myself. I welcome love with open arms. I choose to fill myself with positive joy. My mind is filled with positive and nourishing thoughts. I can handle anything that comes my way. My life is filled with success and love. I am limited by nothing and have unlimited potential. I choose peace and harmony as my way of life. I am both whole and complete.